Hi students, good morning everyone. I hope everyone safe in your home. So we are going to discuss the fifth lesson, feeding habits of animals. In this lesson, in the last videos, we discussed how the animals that have teeth, how can they take in the food with the help of their teeth. In the animals where they have the teeth, they have the four type of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. Now we are going to discuss that animals that do not have the teeth. Which animals that do not have the teeth? How the animals take in the food. So in our surroundings, they have some of the animals that do not have the teeth. So how can they? So then we have they have no teeth. How can they chew the food? They do not. They chew the food. So they swallow the food. So which animals have not any teeth? That animals swallow their food whole. For example, snakes, lizard, frogs. When you observe that snakes, lizard, frogs, they do not have any teeth. So what they do? They swallow their whole food. They swallow their whole food. First one, snakes. In the snakes, the upper and lower jaws in the snakes are not jointed. So this way they can open their mouth very wide and they swallow the all bigger animals. For example, when you see the python, they can eat the deers, some of the big animals, some of the deer, some of the small cows, like this. So not only the snakes, in the frogs, lizards and chameleons also they have no teeth. So how can they take in the food? With the using of their long sticky tongue. When you observe the frog, they have the long sticky tongue to catch the insects and swallow them without chewing. Do you know in the chameleons they have the tongue, it's 1.5 times longer than its body. So not only these animals, in the earthworms also they have no teeth. So how can they take in the food? They swallow the soil containing dead plants and the animal matter. From the dead plants and the animal matter, they swallow the soil and take in the earthworms. Not only these animals, some of insects also they have no teeth. For example, bees, butterfly, mosquitoes and flies also. So how can they take in the food? Bees and butterflies have the long sucking tube. Bees, butterflies, mosquitoes have the long sucking tube. For using of the long sucking tube, bees, butterflies suck the nectar or honey from the flowers and mosquitoes suck the blood from our body. So that's why they are taking their food. Not only these type of birds also do not have the teeth. Do you know birds also do not have the teeth? Yes or no? Birds have any teeth? No, birds do not have teeth. So the mouth of a bird is from the beak or bill. So the shape, the beak depends on the type of food what the birds are taken. So all birds do not eat the same type of food. Yes or no? In all birds do not take the same type of food. Some of the birds taken the only the fruits and nuts. Some of the birds taken the flesh of other animals or other birds. Some of the birds taken only the both plants and the flesh. For example, parrots. When you observe the parrots only taken the fruits and the nuts. Now when you observe the crow also taken both flesh and the plant seeds. And some of the birds like eagle, it is taken only the flesh. That means the birds use their beaks for the different purpose. In the birds also, when they are taking the food type, there are the three types: herbivores, carnivores and the omnivores. For example of the herbivores is the parrot. The example of the carnivores is the eagle. Example of the carnivores is the crows.